Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam was once offering prayers in a mosque. While the Prophet went into prostration, a young Imam Hussain, not more than 4 years old, climbed on his back. In that moment, the angel Jibreel descended from the skies and told the Prophet to prolong his prostration until Hussein comes down by his own will. That was Allah's command. In that moment, the Prophet repeated the zikr, Subhana Rabbi al-A'la wa bihamdih, 70 times, till Imam Hussein came down. When the Prophet finished his prayers, the people asked him why he performed such a long prostration. Khatimun Nabiyyin, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, replied with a smile, "It was but Allah's command. I prolonged my prostration until Hussein came down of his own will."